This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Vanguard Zadie skin in Fortnite. This awesome outfit is available for free by simply playing the game and earning account levels. You'll also unlock matching accessories, making it a fantastic addition to your locker. Make sure to log in during the specified time to activate the quests and start your progress toward this unique reward. To begin your journey for the Vanguard Zadie skin, simply log into Fortnite. Upon logging in, the Vanguard Zadie quests will automatically appear in your Quests tab, ready for you to track your progress. It's crucial to log in within the initial 3-week window to ensure you can access these special challenges and start working towards your free rewards. Unlocking the full Vanguard Zadie set involves earning account levels through gameplay. First, reach 15 account levels to get Zadie's Blade Pickaxe. Continue playing to hit 30 account levels, and you'll receive Zadie's Blade Back Bling. Finally, by achieving 50 account levels, the impressive Vanguard Zadie outfit will be added to your collection, complete with unique rank-based styles. To speed up your progress and earn those 50 account levels efficiently, focus on completing all available quests. Daily and weekly challenges offer substantial experience points. Playing across different game modes, such as Battle Royale or Zero Build, also contributes to your level progression. Team up with friends for even more bonus experience and make the leveling process enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.